Let's dive straight into the bot attribute, guys. We've got the bot attributes over here. If you in the after this webinar might have been forgotten which one which was which, you can use the question marks as well, and it will show you here as well as soon as you didn't store any data there yet. So bot attributes are data sets that are available to all end users, but they are for all end users the same. So for example, we're talking about the bot name, we're talking about phone number, addresses, opening times, things like that you can store in the bot attribute. And what I'm done is I made a text example. Welcome to Botstar. Botstar is the bot name, and our phone number is, and then a very complicated phone number. If I want to use this and store it at the attributes, I'm gonna create a new attribute, and first I'm gonna collect the company name. So copy. I'm gonna create a new bot attribute by clicking add variable. I'm gonna call this bot name. What does this is this variable used for? Storing the name of the bots. It's going to be text. We got three options: number, date. Number, it means that you can actually calculate with it, use formulas with it. And date is an example if you want to change the name of the bot or certain things based on dates. So of course the bot name is text. I'm gonna paste it here. Create. And also I'm gonna use the phone number to store in a variable, which is gonna be bot phone, or store the phone number. And it's gonna be text. Reason why is because there's a plus sign in there, and some people might actually want to show their phone number like this, right? Which I wouldn't prefer, but I'll explain that because then you can't use it in the call a number field. If you use it like this, you can just use bot phone and then be able to call the number. So create. Now what you see here is I'm gonna delete on the text field. We just created the two variables. Right there is that name. Delete it. Watch on the left side. If we click on the insert variables, we got these variables available. And I'm going to the bot attributes, global bot name. And there you go. If you want to change the appearance, put a space. Always make sure that you do that before the accolades. Same goes for the phone number. I'm going to delete it and put in the bot phone, and there you go. It shows the number. Okay. Now you can, for example, use the number, and you could say, let's say, visitor number. Let's say, do that a initial value is 1. And then you could do a calculation later on. If we went through all the different types of variables, I'm going to start doing some calculations, for example. Okay, that was the global attributes.